Okay, so I got a whole tripod taped up, bro. Just for this video, bro. Just for this video, bro. Oh, that's not good. It's squealing, bro. I need a new belt, bro. For this. Definitely need a new belt, bro. Probably. But I'm assuming I need a whole tripod taped up to my passenger seat. Cross our fingers, hope it stays on, because I'm trying to slide the Accord in this video, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I slid it for the first time yesterday off camera. So I don't know, we gonna see how it works. So I'm gonna let the car warm up and everything. Right now, I'm going to a grocery store because I can slide the car behind the grocery store in one spot pretty well. That's where I did it the first time. I hate this stop sign, bro. Like, look to the right. I don't know if y'all saw, but straight up a van with the whole trailer. It's like they're blocking it on purpose, bro. And then there's a trash can, 5 cars, bro. Jeez, bro. These people need to be freaking... Somebody needs to come take them out, bro. Straight up. No, straight up. That's just so messed up, bro. They trying... Okay, the light greened up. Oh, no, it's yellow now, bro. I was trying to get through. I can't even lie. I was trying to get through, bro. What the heck? Yo, why the freak is my thing on? I was wondering why there was weird sounds like boom, boom. Like my stereo is blown or something, bro. Or just broke in general, bro. Jeez. Would I be crazy to slide right here? Jeez, nah. I need more swing, bro. I was too scared to swing it right there, bro. We gonna slide it somewhere, bro. Bunch of cars, bro. I ain't trying to go too crazy with a bunch of people next to me. I'm a little nervous, I will admit. I hope security isn't here. Security hasn't been here for a while now. So just pray to God they took a sick day or something, bro. Cause look, this is beautiful. Everything's so wet back there. I'm gonna slide it right now, bro. Swear. Oh, yo! I can't even lie. I was not expecting that much resistance, bro. Well, there wasn't a whole lot of resistance, but we actually slid that so much. Nah, I ain't gonna do it out here. We gonna flip around. Straight up. And we gonna try to hit that one more time. Someone's coming. Oh, yo! I accidentally let go of the handbrake. Sheesh! No, we actually slid it twice, bro. These aren't the craziest, cleanest drifts or slides by any means. We out just like that, bro. We out, bro. I hope the camera stayed up, bro. Oh my God, bro. 2 pedestrians, bro, drifting between these folks. Try one more time at the grocery store. That craziness though. I see one person, so we just gonna go slow. So we can. I mean slow. There ain't no cop, bro. Still, I ain't trying to incriminate myself by any means, bro. Alright, we gonna slide again. Woohoo! That one was better. I let the wheel take it. Like you're supposed to let go so it can rebound the drift, bro. I let that happen. And we just gonna turn around right here. I don't see no security. I would like to drift right there, but we might go back there, bro. I can't even lie. I don't think anyone's really seen me drift though, so like this car, nobody's caught me in type shit. Let me slide this right here. Dang, bro, I'm supposed to get way more angle. One sec, bro. That was sick, nah, that was sick. Alright. I don't see no security or anything like that. We're gonna take it back here. Probably shouldn't slide it back here, but yes, sir. And then slide it. One more. Sheesh! Alright, bro, we out of here. I'm just trying to figure out, I'm just trying to play with it a little. Figure out how it really reacts, bro. I'm gonna chill, bro, cause this cop, bro. You see how paranoid I am, bro? I hope I would be though after how many times I slid the car, bro. Alright, bro. Holy, bro. I can't even lie. That was crazy, bro. Yo, we were sliding everywhere, bro. I can't even front. Drift, bro. My power steering, I need more power steering fluid as well, bro. So imagine if it went out mid-drift. That'd be horrible. Let's not think about that. Let's not think about that. The school zone, bro. I ain't gonna slide it through a school zone. Should I? No, I'm trying. Yeah. I might slide it right here though. Yes, sir. Now we slid around that corner low key. There was people on that corner, so I ain't trying to let them like see who just did that. What's good? I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me trying to slide the Accord in the rain. This was my first time. Don't give me too much hate. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to practice. I'm trying to get better, but safely. And if you guys got any tips, please throw them in the comments down below. I think I just need to have more speed and let it counter steer so I can hold a slide for a longer amount of time and all that, because I definitely need more speed. I was just a little nervous to be throwing the car into high speeds because my suspension's a little messed up, and plus it's a little nerve-wracking, I can't lie. But I think it was a pretty fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please have a good rest of your morning, day, night, whatever it is. Stay safe. Peace out, and I'll see y'all on the next one. It's been Gansaku.